My name is Ariana Salaivao. I am 13 and my nationality is Samoan and New Zealand European. And this is why I'm fresh out of the box. I started gymnastics because I saw a girl flipping when I was doing athletics and I just used to copy her and then I enjoyed it, so I just begged my parents to go to gym. I've won New Zealand national medals and I went to Australia nationals and won a gold medal. My parents have really supported me through this sport.
She trains really hard. She's here for 22 hours a week, so she's definitely working towards Olympics or Commonwealths.
I go to school, come back, and then they drop me to the gym. Then my mum goes to her night jobs and then she comes back and picks me up. Most 13-year-old kids probably like play around. I ain't got time for that.
At her particular level at this time, she would be the only Pacific Islander. A lot of that I think is down to the cost of the sport. Her fees per term are about $1,000, so the costs just build up. A lot of fundraising.
I think gymnastics is a really good sport for young girls because it helps with fitness, strength and flexibility. And scissor kicks. I am Ariana Salaivao and that's why I'm fresh out of the box.